In this question, it is given that ammeter is replaced by ideal hot wire voltmeter. So ideal voltmeter has infinite resistance. So circuit will something look like this: Xc, and this is R, this is R, and this is Xc. And this is source. So voltage of source is instantaneous, is let's say VST. So voltage across these two branches will be VST itself. So let's say current in upper branch is I1T, instantaneous current here is I2T. So value of I1 and I2 will be same, and that will be I1 will be RMS value of I1 will be Vs upon under root R square plus Xc square, and same value will be for I2. Now we are asked about reading of voltmeter, so that will be potential difference of these 2 points. So let's say potential drop across resistance is VR as a function of time, and potential drop across this capacitor is VCT. So we can see that potential difference between these 2 points A and B will be VAB will be VR, magnitude will be we are concerned with magnitude, so it will be VRT minus VCT. Now value of VR will be VRT as a function of time, that will be I1 I2 or I1, because both have same values, so I1R into sine. Let's say phase of this source is omega t, and let's draw phasor diagram for any one branch. Then this is I1, this is voltage across resistance VR, and voltage across capacitor is Vc, and their resultant will be Vs. So voltage across resistance is 45 degree ahead in phase from voltage of source, from the phase of source. So sine, if its phase is omega t, then phase of voltage across resistance will be omega t plus 45, and Vct will be I1 into Xc sine omega t minus 45. So VAB will be VRT minus VCT. So now VAB instantaneous. So if we want to find RMS value, then we need to subtract using phasor diagrams, and you can see that phase difference between these two is 90 degree. So if we add them using phasor diagram, what we will get is under root I1 R square plus Xc square, and value of I1 is, you can see, it is Vs upon under root R square plus Xc square into under root R square plus Xc square. This will get cancelled, so VAB will be Vs, and which is 200 volts. So this is the answer. Thank you.